A Zig Zag Wanderer, a Zig Zag Wanderer. You can dance, you can play.
Hey gang, this is the Zig Zag Wanderer here again, and once again we come across another mathematical equation. You know, I don't get it, like why are people posting mathematical equations all over Queens? So this equation is, as we can see, m5 x cubed. Not ice cube, people, not ice cube, but x cubed. So this equation is obviously very poorly written because you're not supposed to put the variable before the number. It really should say 5m. So this first part of the equation is completely incorrect. So whatever kid decided to, use this iron thing as a piece of scrap paper for their mathematical homework, for their math homework, it's clearly incorrect. So this equation should say 5m and x cubed, not ice cube, kids. This 3 is way too big. If you're going to cube an equation, you either have it as m5x with a little 3 people, not a big 3. And first of all, what are you trying to cube? Is it the x that's cubed, or are you trying to cube m5 x 3? Well, what is this? Or maybe what you were trying to say was m5, which is incorrect, which should be 5m, should it say to the power of 3x? Now, that would make sense. And this is one of the reasons why you need to use brackets in mathematical equations, because if you don't, sometimes you don't know if you got to multiply first or divide first, because they both carry the same, authority. So this equation should really say 5m, because you don't put the variable first, brackets, and then x, and then a little 3 on top. Or if you want to cube the entire thing, what you could do is you can say 5m, not m5, and then brackets, and then put a 3 here without the x. So, because you see, this x seems to have a dash going this way. It's like, what are you people doing? Are you really that bad in mathematics? So, once again, the Zig Zag Wanderer, I'm just telling all of you, if you're going to write a mathematical equation, make sure that you've got your variables correctly, you got your brackets or your parentheses, as some of you like to call it, placed correctly. And always remember, if you're cubing something, it's not going to be ice cube, people. It's not. It's going to have to be in brackets with a little 3, where you could say it's cubed to the 3rd power.